Do you know what the world's richest people do just to satisfy their unique obsessions? Today we are going to tell you about 7 such billionaires who went to extreme lengths to fulfill their desires. What are these crazy habits? Let's find out. Number 7. Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. Hamad bin Khalifa is the former Amir of Qatar and a prominent member of Qatari royal family. Although Sheikh Hamad is always counted among the world's wealthiest individuals, something happened that turned the entire world's attention toward him. Sheikh Hamad owns a private island. He literally carved his name into the desert ground of that island. This name is so massive that the distance from one end to other is a staggering 1.75 kilometers long. Sheikh Hamad's goal was to make sure his name could be seen clearly all the way from space. Number 6. Hassan al-Bolkiah. Hassan al-Bolkiah, known as one of the most luxurious monarchs in the world. Hassan al-Bolkiah is the Sultan of Brunei. You must have heard stories of his lavish lifestyle many times. To please himself, Hassan al-Bolkiah bought a private Boeing 747 aircraft. The base price of this plane was $100 million, but he spent an additional $120 million more than the actual cost of the plane to customize it into the most luxurious aircraft in the world. Believe it or not, even the wash basin in the aircraft's bathroom is made of solid gold. Number 5. Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is India's top business tycoon and his name is renowned among the wealthiest people across the globe. Mukesh Ambani invested a small fraction of his massive wealth into constructing a magnificent building. This 27-story skyscraper might look like a standard building from the outside, but it is actually Mukesh Ambani's private residence where only he and his family reside. This building cost $2 billion to build and stands 550 feet above the ground in Mumbai. The rooftop features a private helipad and the building includes everything from swimming pools to tennis court. A dedicated team of 600 staff members maintains his grand residence around the clock. Number 4. Prince Al Walid bin Talal. This is Saudi Prince Al Walid, a man whose obsession with luxury completely redefines the world extravagance. While he already owns a massive fleet of supercars, his ultimate passion is private aviation. Prince Al Walid custom ordered a double decker Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, and turned into his personal flying palace. This massive aircraft cost over $400 million, features a grand dining room, a concert hall, a full Turkish bath covered in marble, and even a private garage to park Rolls Royce while in the air. Number 3. Jocelyn Wildenstein. This shocking face belongs to Jocelyn Wildenstein, a highly famous billionaire society. Jocelyn's spending habits are so extreme that her phone bill alone reaches up to $60,000. The world came to know her when she spent over $4 million on extensive plastic surgeries. Her goal to transform her face to look like a cat, simply because her husband was obsessed with big cats. In an effort to keep her husband happy, Jocelyn used her massive wealth to look feline. However, after seeing the terrifying final result of the surgeries, her husband ultimately divorced her. Number 2. Roman Abramovich. Roman Abramovich is a famous Russian businessman and the former owner of Chelsea Football Club. To fulfill his passion for luxury travel, he purchased one of the most comfortable, largest, and most expensive super yacht in the world, worth $450 million. This yacht is equipped with 2 helipads, a swimming pool, and an advanced missile defense system. Furthermore, it features a specialized anti-paparazzi laser system that detects camera sensors and disrupts the photograph, ensuring Abramovich can enjoy his sea voyages in completely privacy. Number 1. Bill Gates. Bill Gates' immense wealth is famous worldwide, and he consistently ranks at the top of the world's richest list. Bill Gates is a massive fan of Leonardo da Vinci. not just for his paintings but for his scientific inventions and discoveries. He is such a huge admirer that he purchased one of Leonardo's original scientific journals for $30 million in 1994. When this manuscript came up for auction, Bill Gates placed a bid so high that no one else even stood a chance to counter it. Viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, The Vortex Docs. We will see you again in the next video.